Shandong Sanji Machine Tool Company Limited was established in March 2017 and is located in Tongzhou City, Shandong Province. We have long experience in manufacturing machine tools and strong economic strength, specializing in manufacturing and selling CNC lathes, manual lathes, machining centers, milling machines, rocker drilling machines, and other machines. As a professional supplier of CNC machine tools products, we have an excellent cooperation team dedicated to product design and development, quality control and inspection, as well as a 24-hour after-sales service team, specializing in solving any problems of customers, committed to become a CNC machine tool manufacturer that satisfies our customers. In order to provide our customers with satisfactory products and services, we have established a modern quality management system according to international standards. Our products are not only sold well in large and small domestic provinces and cities, but also exported to various countries and regions. Meanwhile, we insist on the principle of mutual benefit, and we enjoy a good reputation among our customers because we provide professional services, rest assured products, and competitive prices. At the same time, our products have been awarded the EUCE certificate, so you can be completely assured of the quality of our machines. If you have any new ideas and suggestions about our products, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to cooperating with you and presenting you with satisfactory products.